Uncover the secrets to skyrocketing organic traffic by learning how to isolate and analyze your website's natural search performance using Looker Studio's organic scorecard filter. First, open your Looker Studio report and click on Add a Chart located in the toolbar. Choose the scorecard option. This will be the visual representation of your organic traffic metrics. Now, drag and drop the scorecard onto your desired location within the report. Initially, it will display a default metric. We need to configure it. Look to the right-hand side of your screen, and you'll see the Properties panel. Ensure the Data tab is selected. Under Dimension, you might see something like Date. This is not what we want. Click on the dimension currently selected and search for Source. Select Source from the drop-down. Scroll down in the Data tab until you find the Filter section and then click Add a Filter. In the Create Filter panel, ensure Include is selected. Then, choose Source from the first drop-down menu. In the search bar of the criteria box, type Google Organic or whatever specific source represents your organic traffic in Google Analytics. Double-check that your filter is configured correctly, ensuring that it includes only organic traffic sources, and then click Save. Congratulations, your scorecard now displays only organic traffic data. You can customize the metric being shown and style the scorecard to fit your report's design. Now you can make smarter SEO decisions.